to my channel, Archie's Vlogs. So today we're gonna make something classic French. And it's really good for our coffee break. And that is Madeleines. To do Madeleines, we have 600 grams of whole eggs, 500 grams of white granulated sugar, guys, 15 ml of vanilla extract, and now we have to fluffy this mixture with whisk attachment. Alright guys, it's done already as I can see here. You know guys, if you are a pastry chef by profession, this is one of your baby. So, we fluffy the sugar and then the eggs, the whole eggs, it will become really white and fluffy. So this is what we are looking for. Alright, now we have to proceed in our dry ingredients, and that is 460 of all-purpose flour, and then we have our almond flour. This is 240 grams, and baking powder. This is 20 grams of baking powder. 5 grams of salt. So we have to give a good mix on it. Alright, done. Can you pour into this? No, we have to pour. So we have to pour on the fluffy eggs and sugar. There is a sensitivity to do this one, guys. We have to be careful. Alright. And now we have to have a 200 grams of orange zest. We grated the skin of the orange. This is really nice flavor for our Madeleines. Should not be overmixed, guys. That's it. Enough. Alright, to finish this Madeleine mixture, we have to have a melted 500 grams of melted butter. Now, the techniques for that is we have to chill this mixture first so it will not fall down when we mix our melted butter. If you put directly this one, it will fall down our creaming method. Alright, now our batter has been chilled. This is the time we're gonna add our melted butter. So we have to be careful folding. This is the correct consistency. To make our Madeleines, it is required of special pans or baking pan. I can dive on it. I use silk at Madeleine molds. It is easy to use because it doesn't require of greasing or larding. It is made of highly food grade and heat proof silicone. Alright, so there's another kinds of method or techniques that we must follow. We have to put in the chiller again, so the butter will set on it, and when we bake it, it will crack on top. It's nicely fluffy and crack on top. Alright guys, now it's time to bake our Madeleines. So we have to set our oven into 200 Celsius into 12 to 15 minutes. Alright, so let's see guys, 12 to 15 minutes. As you can see guys, now it start crackling on top. So remember, there is a big difference between you bake right away without chilling. Without chilling or without resting in the fridge, it won't be cracked on top. Alright guys, it's done. Look at this. I smell the butter on it. So we're gonna take a rest for a while before we unmold. Let's see guys. Lovely. Once it's cooled down guys, you can put in the tightly container or cookies jar and keep at room temperature about 4 to 5 days. See guys, crack on top, nicely golden brown. And let's see. Since we have a Madeleines, now the time is 6 o'clock. So it's a coffee break, it's a tea time. A little bit late. So what is missing there is coffee. So we're gonna make a coffee. Sometimes the chef is also barista. Because we don't want to disturb other colleagues. For the sugar on top, it looks more yummy guys. Alright, done. As you can see that. Wow. So guys, it's time for coffee break. Should be like this. Let's crack on top. And then crusty.
Wow!
Lovely guys, delicious. So this is our Madeleines. Thank you for watching guys. I'll see you on my next vlogs.